Alright, what's up guys? It's me, Soji. Look, in today's video we're just going to be talking about basic website updates and how to actually make a good website for yourself. Alright, so I've been talking to a lot of people and they've been expressing to me how they want to make a good website and how it's taking them so long to actually make a website. So I want to share to you today the secret of making a good website. Alright, now I've designed hundreds and hundreds of websites myself, and I can make websites within hours, and these websites are going to be valued at around $10,000 each. Alright, if you take them to flippa.com, I believe, where they evaluate different businesses, you can plug in a domain and they'll tell you the estimate value of that business. So now, with that being said, I do want to express to you, once you get good at this, it really becomes like second nature. All right, you can make websites for any business and you can make them pretty much rapidly. All right, this is why when you come to us, you get a site within 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it's like an e-com site, 7 to 14 days, because we got to plug in those products. But realistically, if you want a good site that's going to beat your competitors, and I hope you guys are really paying attention, you're going to want to have three things, right? Your original site, if you have one, your competitor's site, and then your new draft, all right? So let's say this is A, B, and C, okay? And this is what I do for a lot of my clients, because this is how we outrank their competitors. Now, the way to do that is I look at my client or my subject's original website. I take that's going to be website A. All right. Now, then I look at my client's competitors. So I look into a different state, different area, geographical region, and then I go ahead and look for the one with the highest ranking stars, right, on Google. So if they have the most stars on Google in that area in another place, I'm going to go ahead and actually look at their website, and then I'm going to take a lot of their elements and incorporate it into the new website. So the competition's website is going to be the B site. All right. So remember, you got A site, which is the original one. You got the B site, which is your competitor, and the way you find that is by looking at the amount of stars on Google in a different place. And then the third site is going to be your personal website, the one that you're going to design for yourself. All right. Now, the one that you're designing for yourself, you're making sure that you have the wording from the original site, the design elements, which is the design elements from the competition site, and then you put it all together in your site. So A, B, and C. The C site is going to be the one that you present to the client. That's the one that they're going to like and love. All right, and that's going to outrank your competitors or their competitors. Now, that being said, it's very simple as that. To determine what type of platform you're going to be using for your clients, right? You have to listen to them. Listen to what your clients are saying, what they need, right? If they're doing products, Shopify or BigCommerce, like there's e-com platforms to develop on for your clients. If it's for yourself and you're doing products, Shopify or BigCommerce, great platforms. If you're doing, let's say, service type companies, and someone has to call you and you have a bunch of people on your platform, you're going to want to use like Wix or sometimes WordPress. These are going to be great platforms for you to actually utilize for your company. Now, all these content management systems, they only do one thing. They hold the content of the website. All right. So and that's a good thing, right? They hold the content of the website. Now you need two things to make sure the website is on. You need to make sure you have a domain, right? Which is register.com, godaddy.com, namecheap.com. Make sure you have a domain. Make sure you have your web host, which is, like I said, Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, one of those. You need both of them, and you have to pay for both of them for your website to be on. All right, it's kind of like peanut butter and jelly. You need both of them to work. Cereal and milk, same thing. Okay, so this has really been all I wanted to tell you guys, because it's really the thing that helps you make a website quickly. So once you actually practice this and you actually do this, you really start getting really good at making websites. You start making websites for anybody and anything And what I like to do is I like to call around, I like to look for people and see if they need help with their websites, and then I just go ahead and make them a website free of charge, before any type of payment or anything like that. And then they go ahead and get their website, they see the results, and they're like, oh, I love this, and they want to work with us. So just keep practicing it. If you don't, you're not going to get good at it. Simple as that. All right. Now, this has been a conclusion of the video. I just explained to you how to make a good website and how to beat your competition. So just use this information at your will. Run this video back if you need to, but it's a very simple concept, and these are just concepts and philosophies that I utilize and implement into my business, which allows me to make websites every day rapidly, easy. And yeah, it's fun, it's great, and clients love it. So, all right, just leave a comment down below. Tell me what type of content management systems you've used in the past, like WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify. Tell me the type of problems you've had. Tell me the type of solutions or benefits you've gotten out of them, anything. And yeah, like this video, share it with any other business owners that you know. Please share this with them so that they can get help on how to make their stuff a little bit faster or better. And if you guys need help, you can always call us. Our number is going to be playing right after the video. So you can call in, and we're open 24/7 right here in Florida. So I hope everything works out well for you, and I hope you're safe. Be blessed. Later.